set starting point and set draw endpoint. This tool is useful to set the start and end point of the object manually. Here, we have some objects. Select the object. Press Set Starting Point button. Now, you can see pencil as a mouse cursor, and set it by left click. Its shortcut key is Shift+2. We can also set the endpoint in this way. Press Set Draw and Point button. Its shortcut key is Shift+3. We can also set it using the shortcut key. And if we want to set the start end point in one place, first press Shift 2 or Shift 3 and then hold down Shift key and set starting ending point with mouse left click. We can also set the starting end point with the help of a button. First, select Set Starting Point button, and hold Shift key and set starting ending point at one place. First, select Set Draw End Point button, and hold Shift key and set starting ending point at one place.